Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Mellow Man token. Ticker symbol is Mellow. Now this token you can find on DEX Tools, on DEX Screener. They're up 123% in the past 24 hours. This token came out around 7 days, 13 hours ago it says. But yeah, it's doing very well. It's got a 24-hour trading volume of $318,000 and their market cap is over $1 million. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Now let's get into this token here. So Mellow Man, they probably are doing very well too because they've been doing a good job advertising. It says they've done ads on DEX Screener. Now this token is on the Ethereum blockchain. So if you did want to get this token, first of all, you would need a wallet like a Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, Coinbase wallet, any one of those wallets. You would fund that wallet with ETH. You could fund it from a central exchange. There's a list of central exchange links in the description box down there. Check out those referral codes. So you'd fund your wallet with ETH, then you'd go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then you would trade your ETH for the Mellow token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, Furie's mellow.ox69.com. Now you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, if there is taxes, but we'll try to find that in a second here. And they do have a how to buy section on their webpage in case you didn't understand how I just explained that. Now they have a Telegram and a Twitter that you could follow. The Twitter is at mellowox69. And the Telegram is at Mellow Man Community. Now their Twitter has 761 members. 140 of them are online. It says Mellow Man is a unique meme coin inspired by Matt Furie's iconic Boysclub comic. And tons of these Matt Furie characters are very popular meme coins like Pepe, Landwolf, Bird Dog, Brett, etc. Around the same time I upload this video, I'm going to be uploading another token called Wolf Skull, which is another Matt Furie Boysclub character. So check that video out as well. That token is also on the Ethereum blockchain. Now their Twitter here has a blue verified check mark. I'm going to put their Twitter in the corner of the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find this project. You'll see that their webpage is linked right on this Twitter as well. They just joined in July 2024. 355 followers, blue verified checkmark, 72 tweets so far. Mellow Man is a laid-back and carefree character who is friends with Pepe, Brett, and the rest of the Boysclub gang. So they have a link in their pinned tweet to their website, Telegram channel, Uniswap, DEX Screener, and even more links. All the links you possibly could need are going to be on this Twitter right here, and especially in their pinned tweet. It's like a full link tree. Then if you scroll through their other 72 tweets, you're going to see updates. They're going to have things like new token listing sites, partnerships, all that type of stuff. And of course, tons of memes. Also updates on the chart and how the token is doing. It says, join the Mellow Man meme channel for exclusive updates, epic prizes, and insider news. Only in this room will be the best prizes that will be announced. Don't miss out. Click the link below and join the Telegram community and be part of Mellow Man Magic. So that's what they're talking about there with the Telegram. Now, if you go over to their Etherscan, so far they have 428 holders, 9 decimal places on this token. There is a max total supply of 69,420,000 tokens. Now, their webpage, if you go over there, you're going to find memes, the Mellow Army link, tokenomics, disclaimer, how to buy, info. It says, "Hi, I am Mellow Man, the coldest, chillest, and funniest one of the Matt Furie Boys Club collection. Welcome to my based world." It says, "This is a community takeover. The new team has tons of experience and connections, and the best part is that we are a community takeover with solid support. There's also no dev to rug this amazing meme coin on Ethereum, the king of meme chains. And we share the OX69 contract prefix with our brother Pepe and the rest of the Boys Club. Matt Furie currently holds 5% of the supply." And then they have a link to the tweet, and then they have a link to the Etherscan. So you can check that out. It says, "A new king has risen. Mellow Man is a laid-back and carefree character who's friends with Pepe, Brett, etc. He's down for good times and loves hanging out with his friends. As a member of the Boys Club, Mellow Man shares a strong bond with Pepe, Brett, and Mellow Man is fiercely loyal and will do whatever it takes to support his friends. Pepe and Brett are now pulling Mellow up. Their fellow friend needs to fly with them. It's time for the last member of the Boys Club to fly from the hundreds to thousands to millions to billions to make their father Pepe or Matt Furie proud." And then it has all sorts of links. So it says CoinGecko they're listed on, Dex Screener, Dex Tools. They have the Telegram, Twitter, Uniswap link, and also Kyber Swap. You can get it off Kyber Swap. It's got tokenomics. It says, "Adhering to the ethos of decentralization, Mellow adopted the strategy to ensure genuine community ownership and nurture growth with steadfast support for the community. No taxes, so you don't have to worry about slippage." It says, "Contract renounced and burned." Shows you how to buy on the webpage, has the contract address, a link to CoinMarketCap as well, and the risk disclosure, legal disclaimer. So if we check on Dex Tools and Dex, there is a liquidity lock. So it says they have a $1.1 million market cap and $102,000 are locked in liquidity in Uniswap. It says 99.99% of the total liquidity is locked and burned. So that's great to see. Token price is about 1.6 cents per token. There is a community takeover claim. So it looks like the dev did leave and the community took over according to Dex Screener. They also had a marketing boost on here. But yeah, go check it out. Let me know in the comments. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.